Hi and welcome back to Lockpicker 69. In the files today I've got a 5-pin Union ring cylinder. It is one that I've recently purchased on eBay with a few other locks, all come without keys. Got a couple of ASSA, absolute no idea which models they are, but I can see them going in a little bucket. And also in the bundle was this E&S 5-pin thumb turn. It's raked open fairly easy. I did pick this off camera and picked fairly easy, but I find with Unions, they either pick easy or they're an absolute bastard to pick. Got a full set going on. Pin 5 holding me up. Not bad. Around about 3 minutes. I have picked a chub with a back like this, so maybe it's possibly the same. Yep, basically the same. It's like a housing. It's got all standard copper springs. Do the driver pins first. Standard and 1, standard and 2, standard and 3, standard and 4, all standard. Felt like it had security pins. driver pins. I suppose it don't really matter because obviously I ain't got a key. That's one of those weird ones. Right, that's all the pins. All standard. Does actually look like all the key pins do actually have chamfer at the top. So we get a close up of that. Is it going to focus? No. No, it won't focus, but as you can see, all the tops of the driver pins do have them sort of chamfers on them. Right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon.